Agile definitions for PMP and PMIACP. Fit for purpose. Product suitable for its intended purpose. Fit for use. Product currently usable for its intended purpose. Ideal. Organizational improvement model with 5 phases. Impact mapping. Strategic planning technique for building products. Impediment. Blocker. Obstacle to team objectives. Increment. Functional, tested, and accepted deliverable. Incremental life cycle. Approach providing immediate use deliverables. Information radiator. Visible display for organization knowledge sharing. I-shaped. Person with single area of specialization. Iteration. Time-boxed cycle of development for product deliverables. Iterative life cycle. Approach allowing feedback for unfinished work. Kaizen events. Collaborative events to improve the system. Kanban board. Visualization tool to improve workflow efficiency. Kanban method. Agile method for knowledge work using visual management. Large-scale Scrum, less, Scrum framework for large product development. Lean software development, LSD. Applying lean principles to software development. Life cycle. Process of imagining, creating, and using a product. Mobbing. Simultaneous focus by multiple team members on work. Organizational bias. Organization's preferences on core value scales. Organizational change management. Structured approach to transition organizations. Paint drip. Broken cone. Person with varied skills across specializations. Pair work. Pair programming. 2 team members work simultaneously on tasks. Personas. Archetype user with goals, motivations, and characteristics. Pivot. Planned course correction to test new hypotheses. Plan Do Check Act, PDCA. Iterative method for process control and improvement. Plan-driven approach. Predictive approach. Traditional work management approach. Predictive life cycle. Traditional sequential approach to work management. Project Management Office, PMO. Management structure for project governance. Product backlog. List of user-centric requirements for a product. Product owner. Service request manager. Person responsible for maximizing product value. Progressive elaboration. Iterative process of increasing plan detail. Release planning. Collaborative planning of a product release. Scaled Professional Scrum, SPS. Framework for Scrum in complex environments. Scrum of Scrums. Technique for scaling Scrum to multiple teams. Scrum Team. Combination of team roles in Scrum. Self-organizing team. Cross-functional team with fluid leadership. Servant leadership. Leading through service to team members. Service request manager. Person responsible for ordering service requests. Siloed organization. Organization structured to contribute a subset of required aspects. Single loop learning. Problem solving without challenging methods. Smoke testing. Lightweight testing for important system functions. Specification by example. SBE. Collaborative approach to defining requirements. Spike. Short time interval for research or prototyping. Sprint. Time-boxed iteration in Scrum. Sprint backlog. List of work items for a Scrum sprint. Sprint planning. Collaborative planning for a Scrum sprint. Story point. Unit-less measure for relative estimation. Swarming. Collective focus on resolving a specific impediment. Technical debt. Deferred cost of unfinished work. Test-driven development. Defining tests before work for continuous validation. Time box. Fixed period of time for work. T-shaped. Person with deep specialization and broad abilities. User story. Brief description of deliverable value for a specific user. User story mapping. Visual practice for organizing high-value features. UX design. Improving product usability and accessibility for better user experience. Value stream. Organizational construct focused on delivering value to customers. Value stream mapping. Lean technique to analyze and improve product service flow. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.